Hi, it's me. I will be showing you how to assemble this tiny card today. It includes a pocket and what I call a flippy window card. In this video, I will show you how to use a score file, how to use a dash file, and of course, assembly. Let's get started. Prepare the score file. I will be using Cricut Design Space to demonstrate. Use the software compatible with your machine. Click Upload Image. This screen will appear where you can drag in the file or browse for it. I will be dragging the file. The file is called Flippy Window _ scored. Here is a preview of the file. Click Continue. Click Upload. When the file loads, all the pieces will be grouped together. While it's grouped together, you can resize it to whatever size you want. To resize it to the intended size, resize it to 9.992 inches in width and 4.89 inches in height. To confirm the sizing is correct, open the main group and click the yellow square. The size of the square should be 3.25 inches by 3.25 inches. Let's ungroup the main group and review the pieces. These pink pieces are decor for the base card. This is decor for the pocket. This is the base card. This is the pocket the flippy window goes into. Click on the base card and open up the group. Click on the layer with the little lines. Change the operation from basic cut to score. Click this group header, then click Attach. Now Cricut will cut and score these together. Click the pocket and open up the group. Click the layer with the lines. Change the operation from basic cut to score. Click the group header, then click Attach. Now Cricut knows to cut and score these together as well. The rest of the pieces are decoration. Copy and paste more if you want to. Everything is all set now. Click Make and follow the instructions on the screen. Prepare the dashed file. I will be using Cricut Design Space to demonstrate. Use the software compatible with your machine. Click Upload Image. This is the upload image screen. You can either drag the file or browse. I will drag the file. The file is called Flippy Window _ dashed. A preview will display. Go ahead and click Continue, then Upload. When the file loads, all the elements will be grouped together. While it's grouped, you can resize it to whatever size you want. To size it to its intended size, resize it to 9.987 inches wide by 4.531 inches high. To confirm the sizing is correct, open the main group and click the yellow square. The size will be 3.25 inches in width by 3.25 inches in height. Let's ungroup the main group and review the pieces. These pink pieces are decoration for the base card. This is the base card, aka Flippy Window. This is the back of the pocket. This is the pocket with purple decor. This file has dash lines instead of score lines. It is ready to cut. Click Make and follow the instructions on screen. Assembly instructions. These are all the cut pieces, starting with the pocket and its decor, the Flippy Window card base, and the decor for it. Let's start with the Flippy Window. Let's rotate it like this. Start by folding this piece down. Flip the card over, then fold this piece up. And that's it. You have a Flippy Window base card. It's so simple, but so cool to play with. Now let's fold the pocket. Fold this glue tab back. Then fold this glue tab back. This gets glued onto this backing. So the pocket is on the left. But you can also fold it the other way so the pocket is on the right. It's your choice. I will leave it here for now. Let's quickly decorate this Flippy window card. I'm going to start with this bracket looking piece. Apply your favorite adhesive. Uhu glue is mine. Then stick it right here. Then stick the other bracket here. One rectangle goes here. This is the window. Flip it over and glue the other rectangle on the back. Flip it over again and follow the creases for the Flippy window. It is honestly more effective when the rectangles are different colors. I should have done that to show you. Just trust me. Now let's glue this pocket on. I decided I wanted to put it on the right. Place glue onto these really large glue tabs. Sorry, I don't know why I made them so big, but it works. Then we are going to adhere it to the backing like this. This piece of decor goes right on top of the pocket. I promise I put glue there. Now we have a little pocket. And that's it. Thank you so much for watching. Please reach out if you have any questions. Take care. Bye.